Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the highlighter in Adobe Acrobat Reader. First, open your desired PDF document. Navigate to the comment tools, usually found on the right-hand pane or under the Tools menu. Once the comment tools are visible, simply select the text you wish to emphasize. This initial step is crucial for activating the highlighting function, preparing your document for clear and effective annotations. It's a straightforward process to get started. After selecting your text, click the highlighter tool icon, often yellow, to apply the highlight with one click. To change its color, right-click the highlighted section. A small pop-up menu will appear, offering various color choices. You can also adjust the highlight's opacity, making it more or less transparent, which is useful for underlying text visibility. Experiment with these options to find your preferred visual style for annotations. Should you need to remove a highlight, simply right-click on the highlighted text. A context menu will appear, and selecting Delete will instantly remove the annotation. For managing multiple highlights, access the Comments pane, typically on the right side. Here, you'll find a list of all your comments, including highlights, allowing for easy review and bulk deletion if necessary. This provides efficient control over your document's annotations. For more advanced options, explore the text markup tools within the comment section. These tools offer additional ways to emphasize text beyond simple highlighting. You can also add sticky notes or text boxes directly to your highlights, providing extra context or detailed explanations. Remember to save your document regularly to ensure all your valuable highlights and comments are permanently preserved for future reference. This ensures your work is never lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.